Hello everyone, and welcome. Montana Forge Virtual Studio presents
How to install a double-cylinder deadbolt.
You will be needing a Phillips head screwdriver as well as a cordless drill with a 5/32 inch drill bit for this installation.
Before beginning your install, remove your old hardware and clean the door to prep it for installation. All of our hardware is designed for 1 3/4 inch to 2 inch doors. If you have a door that is larger than 2 inches, simply request a thick door kit when ordering.
Before we dig in, let's take a moment to review an exploded parts view.
Carefully unwrap each piece and familiarize yourself with these components. You can set aside the strike plate along with 2 of the provided wood screws, as we will come back to this later in the video.
You can also set aside the deadbolt strike reinforcement plate and the longer wood screws as well. The 5/32 inch drill bit will be used to drill the pilot holes for this plate later in the video.
The first components are 2 cylinders. One will have 2 screw holes. This is the cylinder for the interior side, and the other cylinder without screw holes will be used on the exterior side. Following the cylinders are the 2 rosettes, one to be used for the interior and one to be used for the exterior.
The next component is the deadbolt latch and 2 wood screws that are finish specific and will always match the finish of your interior trim.
The final components are the cylinder mounting screws, which are the 2 longer screws that match the finish of your deadbolt. Let's get started. If you haven't already, unpackage the deadbolt box and remove its contents. Locate the deadbolt latch. This latch is set up for a 2 3/8 inch back set. If you have a 2 3/4 inch back set on your door, simply hold the body of the latch and twist the plate 180 degrees. Once you have the correct back set selected, slide the latch into the door with the cam section of the latch positioned at the bottom. Then secure with the 2 wood screws that match your lock finish. Now locate the 2 cylinders and the 2 rosettes.
Slide the cylinders into the rosettes, aligning the notches on the rosettes with the grooves on their cylinder.
Take the rosette and cylinder with no screw holes and orient the tailpiece on the back into a vertical position. Place it on the outside of the door, inserting the tailpiece into the top and bottom sections of the latch cam. Next, take the other rosette and cylinder with the screw holes and orient that tailpiece into a horizontal position. Place it on the inside of the door, inserting the tailpiece into the left and right sections of the latch cam. Now, insert the 2 long screws that match the finish of the lock and hand tighten. Adjust the position of the exterior and interior rosettes, then tighten down with a screwdriver. Now, test the function of the deadbolt to make sure it operates smoothly. You want to make sure that the latch depresses and extends properly and that you can't open the door when the bolt is extended. Then, close the door to make sure that the latch bolt is going into the strike hole properly. Now, you can install the reinforcement plate. To prevent any splitting or cracking that may occur, it is recommended and good practice to drill pilot holes prior to screw installation. You can use your reinforcement plate as a guide, drilling a hole in the top corner and another one diagonal to that on the bottom. Then, install your longer wood screws and tighten to be snug, but do not over-tighten. Now, you can install the strike plate. Make sure to mount the strike plate in line with the hole on your door jamb where the latch is going to meet it. Then install the wood screws colored to match the strike and tighten until snug, but try not to over-tighten. If you close the door and your latch does not align with the strike, some additional strike adjustment may be needed.
Congratulations on successfully installing your Montana Forge deadbolt.
Thank you for watching this presentation by the Montana Forge Virtual Studio. We hope this video was helpful and we appreciate your business. For other videos in this series, be sure to visit montanaforgehardware.com.